At HVAC in LA, we help homeowners upgrade to high-efficiency heating and cooling while unlocking every rebate available. From HEEHRA to federal tax credits, Tech Clean California, and local utility rebates, we make the entire process simple and stress-free. Simply upgrade from your existing gas furnace system to a new high-efficiency Energy Star certified heat pump system and watch the savings roll in. Let's start with HEEHRA. The first step is checking if you qualify for the HEEHRA rebate, offering up to $8,000 based on your household income. In order to get started, you complete a quick income verification form to get your qualification code. After that, we'll handle all the paperwork and get you pre-approved. This gets your funds reserved before we even start your project. Next, every homeowner may qualify for the federal 25C Energy Efficient Home Improvement Tax Credit, which provides up to $2,000 back when you install a qualifying heat pump. We make sure your new system meets all requirements and provide all the documentation you need to claim it. We serve the greater Los Angeles area, and depending on your location, your utility may offer additional rebates, which can add hundreds of dollars in savings. We help you handle all the paperwork so you receive every rebate and tax credit you're eligible for. With HVAC in LA, you're not just getting a new system. You're getting a partner who handles the entire rebate process from start to finish. We make it easy to save money and stay comfortable. To upgrade with confidence, call HVAC in LA today.